Hi prep students, my name's Ariel. I'm one of your instructors for year 1 prep. So this week, week 7, we are doing magnetism, and I'm going to be showing you 5 different activities that you can do. So for this first activity, it's called holding charge. Holding charge. So what you're going to need is one plastic straw. You're going to want it to be wrapped in paper, but if you don't have that, you can just get like a napkin or a paper towel and do the same thing. So if you have it wrapped in a paper straw, you're going to just want to take off the top and you're going to like rub it back and forth. So if not, you're going to use paper. And you're going to want to do it maybe 10 times. And doing this is going to negatively charge the straw. And since your body is neutral, it should stick to your body, like that. There. And so some other things to do is see what else you can get it to stick to. And yeah, that's your first activity. Okay, so this is our second activity. It's called remote control roller. So all you're gonna need for this one is a balloon. You wanna blow it up and then an empty aluminum can. So this one, you're going to blow up the balloon, rub it on your hair so the balloon's negatively charged. And since the aluminum can's neutral, put the balloon pretty close by to your, you gotta put it pretty close, maybe like 2 centimeters away. And since opposites attract, it should be able to make a little rolling car. And that's your second activity. Okay, so this is our third activity. We're gonna be making a compass. So you're gonna need a needle or a paper clip. I only have paper clips. A clear glass of water or a bowl or some kind of jar where you can see it, and enough to fit the paper clip or the needle. And so since it's really hard to get the paper clip to rest on the water, I used a piece of cardboard. You can use styrofoam or anything that's gonna float that you can lay the paper clip on. So what you're gonna do is get your magnet. I have a bar magnet, it's pretty strong. So you're gonna rub it one way, maybe 3 times to get the magnetic field working in that. And then, I already have it in here. And so you're gonna lay it down and it's gonna interact with Earth's magnetic pole. So it should face north once you set it. It should align itself. And that was activity 3. Hi guys, for this last activity, you're gonna need, it's called magnetic shielding activity, I'm sorry. Magnetic shielding. So what you're gonna use 2 little square pieces of cardboard, 2 wooden pencils, and you're gonna need a magnet, a bar magnet, or you can use the little circular magnets. You're gonna need some paper clips, some sort of metal conducting piece. I used just a knife for my kitchen, and then something that's non-conductive. So I'm using a plastic straw. You can use like a wooden skewer. Yeah. Okay, so what you're gonna do is get your 2 little square pieces of cardboard. You can either use hot glue or tape and put the 2 pencils. So maybe start with the 1 cardboard, put the 2 pencils, hot glue them, or put the second piece of cardboard like a sandwich, and then you're gonna use tape to wrap it all up. Okay, so it just look like a little sandwich with pencils in the middle. So then you're gonna take your bar magnet, put it on top at the very front, like that. And then that should hold, there's a little space in the middle, but it should still hold your paper clips. That. So, okay, so you're gonna leave it like that. So you're gonna test what's gonna happen if you use your conductive object. So something's supposed to happen, but I think what's happening is my bar magnet's a little too strong, so it's gonna hold it no matter what. So, or this is conductive, so it should, the magnetic field should stay in place. But then once you use your non-conductive object, like a straw, I think y'all can guess what's supposed to happen, but I'll let y'all figure it out for yourselves. And maybe